Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a sandwich and a roll with some veggies and hard-boiled egg. Hope you enjoy this video and recipe and try it out. First of all, you'll need to cut a red bell pepper into slices and then into squares, and do the same with an orange bell pepper. Then let's cut some dill. Now you have to cut 2 hard-boiled eggs into squares and grate 100 grams of cheese. Now in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of radish, some pepper and half a spoon of salt. And let's mix it together. Then add the dill and the hard-boiled eggs with the cheese, but first mix it. Then the peppers and now the hard-boiled eggs, and mix it all together. Now let's prepare the bread. I'm using a baguette, but you can use any bread you want to. I'm taking out the white fluffy part from the inside with a knife. Now let's add the ingredients. I'm using a spoon to fill all the baguette. Now let's close it or wrap it with a plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge. When it's all cooled down, let's cut it and serve it. Let's cut it into portions and serve it. And this is the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, try it out and give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.